now. The main purpose of the battens are to support the roach in the leech of the sails. The roach is what is behind the straight line from the top to the clew. One batten type is the tapered battens. They are soft in one end and they're stiff in the other end. The stiff end will go towards the leech of the sail. Inside the document bag you will find all necessary items to use your sail. For this jib, the batten tensioner is to be found here. Here we have a racing jib which has a combination of full battens and shorter battens. The tapered short battens goes into the sail from the front, and then it's the stiff end of the batten going in first. Into the integrated batten pocket, all the way in. And you have a Velcro on the inside of the batten pocket. Tight the batten, lock it, and the batten is correctly tightened. Now we're going to remove the batten from the jib. It is important to unlock the Velcro. So you use the batten tensioner to open the Velcro, pull it out. The top batten is full and it is also loaded from the leech. Use still the Velcro, and in addition to that it's locked with lashing.